Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motor Cars here in Rogers, Minnesota, a northern suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota, and a mere 45 minutes away from the Minneapolis-St. Paul International Airport for those of you who want to come and look at something in person. Well, today we're going to talk about our latest addition to our inventory, which is well over 100 vehicles. It is a 1951 Studebaker Commander Convertible. Talk about a cool car, that Bullet Nose as they're called. Yes, you're going to want to watch this entire video from start to finish because we're going to do a nice walk around, giving you more details. We're going to do a cold start. And if you want, you can click on the link in the description and it'll take you right to our website where you have the information on this car, pricing and whatnot right at your fingertips. And remember what our website is, www.ellingsonmotorcars.com, where you'll have access to, as I said, over 100 vehicles we currently have on our sales floor, everything from cars in the 1920s all the way up into the 2000s and beyond. So if there's something you're looking for, we might just have it right here on the sales floor at Ellingson Motor Cars. Well, let's get into the details of this. Really, this was a 1951. The Commander, that was the top of the line for Studebaker. By all means, it had the special features, all the upgrades, all the good stuff about it. This one has the 232.6 cubic inch overhead valve V8 engine, which is really a special thing for a Studebaker. Couldn't even get a 6-cylinder in one of these cars. As well as that's hooked up to a 3-speed manual on the 3 transmission with Overdrive. But yes, 1951 Studebaker came out with what they called basically the Bullet Nose. It looks like the intake of a jet engine. Everything back in this era was thinking about airplanes, rockets, spaceships, future, and Studebaker was no stranger to incredibly cool styling and kind of that over-the-top type image. And boy, I'll tell you what, Studebaker really hit a grand slam with this one. I just love the beautiful chrome work on this car, the intake. It's got the accessory bumper guarettes. And of course, it looks like an airplane right there on the hood. And the emblem tells you it is a V8, which really is an upgrade for Studebakers. Studebakers were kind of a thrifty orientated, but you still had people wanted style. They wanted distinction. They made a little over 3,700 of these convertibles in 51. So this is really kind of a rare car. Beautiful Sahara Sand color, just really does look like something out of the 1950s, to say the least. Yes, you look at this thing, the front end does look like the intake of a jet engine, if you will. That's kind of cool. Of course, the chrome is really nice, and it's got the wide whitewall tires with the full hubcaps. Really kind of a really good look in 1951. Remember, in 51, everything was an option. You wanted the white wall tires, that was an option. You wanted the bumper guarettes, that was an option. You wanted an outside driver's mirror or even a passenger mirror, that was another option that you had to have. These little vents on the side are how you get air into a Studebaker. It was, instead of having a vent up here, it was now put down on the fenders to get air in. I love the one-piece curved windshield. Really nice. And a beautiful interior to boot on this car. Beautiful gray vinyl interior, black carpet. But I mean, the instrument cluster looks like airplane gauges, big gauges. And someone actually even ordered, of course, the AM radio as well. Convertible top is a black hearts cloth top, glass back window. Really nice condition overall. And of course, again, got extra rock guards here. Fender skirts, another one of those things, another option. Nice thing about a Studebaker like this, they do have a full-size trunk. You can actually get a set of golf clubs or maybe 2 in there if you had to. Would be kind of nice. A beautiful boot, does a great job of covering up. Because if you own a convertible of this vintage, my guess is 99% of the time the top should be down. That's what makes it so special, is when you have the top down like that, it really just gives you that what you bought the car for in the first place. And like I said, a lot of people bought these. Only 3,770 some odd convertibles were made. So it's, on a scale of things, kind of a rare convertible, to say the least. Look at the no more gas thing. So if you're putting gas in your car and you don't want, this protects the paint. Again, these are all little details that these cars have, and it's really kind of a cool thing. And again, as I said, we've got the AM radio in there, beautiful 3 on the tree with Overdrive. this car is really going to make someone a nice road car. It's going to be something you can cruise down the highway and really enjoy yourself. Now, the other thing I always tell you, if you buy one of these kind of vehicles, you want to join that Studebaker club. That's always one of those things that I highly recommend you do that, because, there are always people out there that can help you with any questions you may have. Mr. Wrench is in the club. Just one of those things we always think about. Now, you can find all of our stuff on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and even TikTok. Give us a like, leave us a comment, or subscribe. We appreciate it very much, and you have access to all the information on this car, our current inventory. And it's kind of added fun if you got time. Some of the cars we've sold over the last several years as well. But that's one of the reasons why you want to go to our main website, ellingsonmotorcars.com, because that's going to have new arrivals, specials, and whatnot. Plus, it'll give you access to our toolbar across the top. There are many things that people say, well, I really want this car, but I don't know how to finance it. My local bank doesn't know anything about a 1951 Studebaker Commander. Well, we have sources that can assist you in getting financing for all the collectible cars out there. Give us a call again at 763-428-7337, and we can assist you in going through the process of getting qualified for a collector car loan. They can make them for 3 years, 5 years, lots of different time frames if that's what you have to work on. Whatever it takes to get this into your driveway. And speaking of which, if you buy a car from us, we can also assist you with shipping. I mean, a lot of people we sell a lot of cars all over the United States, and for that matter, all over the world, but we can assist with shipping as well. That would be something that we do if you buy a car from us, because sometimes it's nice to have someone who knows the connections, how to get it done. If it's your first or your 100th old car, it's sometimes a little challenging to get stuff shipped, but we do it every day, so we can help you with that without a doubt. Now, there are many of you out there that say, I love to watch the videos. They're great. It gives me a good insight, gives me all the details for the car, whatnot, but I want to come in person. By all means, come on down or come on up. We're in Minnesota. Come on up to Minnesota. We're happy to have you come in person. We are open to the public Monday through Friday from 10 until 5, Saturdays 10 to 4 as well. For those of you who go, want to make sure it's real. Yes, it is. It is a real car. An extremely nice job on this restoration. Very low miles since it was completed, but that just makes it that much better. You can really see the quality workmanship that went into making this car. Well, I guess with that being said, the other thing is, we always entertain any questions you may have about this car or any of our other 100 plus cars in inventory. Give us a call. 763-428-7337, and we'll do our very best to answer any and all questions you may have about this car or any of our other cars in stock. Well, thank you again for watching our video. You want something a little different? I'm a orphan lover. I love Studebakers and Hudsons and Packards and any of the companies that many people had never even heard of some of these cars. But if you like something a little special, something a little different, hey, 1951, the Bullet Nose Studebaker was truly a stylish desire. If you wanted something different, Studebaker was never afraid to produce them. And this is one of those examples right here. So thank you again for watching our videos. We appreciate it very much. And we'll see you next time at EllingsonMotorcars.com.